Understanding the charts. Charts present numerical information in visual ways when it is more important for your audience to understand trends than to identify precise values. Here are the chart elements. Axis, a line that frames one side of the plot area. The two most common axes are the value axis and the category axis. Datasheet, a grid that resembles a spreadsheet in which you can enter data for your chart. Data label, text that describes a specific data marker or series of data markers. Data marker, a value that represents a single cell or data point in a data sheet. Data series, the main categories of information in a chart, usually reflected in a chart's legend and in the first cell of each data sheet row or column. Data table, a grid in the chart that lists the exact data in the data sheet. Grid lines, lines that display across the category or value axes to make a chart easier to read. Legend, a box that lists and color codes all data series. Trend line, a line that forecasts future values based on current data. Now you have the fundamental idea about charts. We will be discussing more about charts in upcoming lessons. Adding a chart. The main difficulty in creating a chart in a non-spreadsheet application such as PowerPoint is that there is no data table from which to pull the numbers. Therefore, PowerPoint 2007 creates charts using data that you have entered in an Excel worksheet. By default, it contains sample data, which you can replace with your own data. To add a new chart, do the following. Go to the Insert tab. Bring the mouse to the Illustrations group. Click the Chart command. The Insert Chart dialog box is opened. Here are the chart types provided by PowerPoint 2007. Choose your desired chart type. Click the OK button. The chart appears on the slide and an Excel datasheet opens with sample data. Here we have discussed only about adding a chart. We will be discussing more about charts in the upcoming lessons. Selecting a chart type. The Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007 offers plenty of chart types and subtypes for almost every kind of graphic representation you would want to create. Subtypes are variations on a basic chart type, such as 3D options. PowerPoint includes many chart types. To apply a new chart type using the Chart Type dialog box, follow these steps. Go to the Insert tab. Move the mouse pointer to the Illustrations group. Click on the Chart command. The Chart Type dialog box appears. Select the chart type you want to use. Click on the OK button. The PowerPoint window displays a chart plotted with sample data. You can replace the sample data with your own information by typing directly in the Excel table. In the Excel worksheet, change the data as you like. When you change in Excel, the changes are reflected in the PowerPoint slide. When you have finished your changes, in the upper right corner of the Excel window, click the Close button.